welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix unable to install app. This app cannot be installed because its integrity could not be verified. So guys, if you have this type of problem, as you can see here, when I am going to download this app or install this app, facing this issue again and again. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, you have to open your settings and click on Wi-Fi. Make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection on your iPhone. So guys, if you have already connected, simply you have to click on your Wi-Fi and guys, click on forget this network and click on forget, and after this you need to reconnect it again. And if you are using mobile data, make sure that you have selected 4G or 5G network on your device. And guys, now you have to scroll it below, click on general, and guys, you need to click on VPN and device management. So guys, check that if you have connected any VPN, you need to disconnect that VPN. After doing this, you have to go back. And guys, now you have to reset your network settings. Click on reset network settings, and guys, here you need to enter your passcode and reset your network settings. Maybe there is network problem on your iPhone. So guys, when you have reset your network settings, then guys, you need to go back, click on language and region, and select your region according to your country. And guys, now you have to go back, click on date and time. Make sure that you have selected date and time on automatically. And guys, after doing this, you have to go back, click on screen time, scroll it down, click on content and privacy restrictions, turn it off. And guys, after doing this, you have to go back. And guys, at last you need to click on general and click on software update. And guys, you need to check for update. If you have not updated your iPhone to latest iOS version, simply you have to update it first. And guys, after doing all the things, your problem will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.